What's the high-performance sedan that's been dominating the luxury game for 7 generations and now hides a mind-blowing twist under its hood? Say hello to the 2025 BMW M5, a 7th-gen icon that's packing an electrified punch, ready to blow you away with raw power and unmatched luxury the moment you hit the gas. This beast introduces an electrified M hybrid drivetrain, packing a jaw-dropping 717 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of peak torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, hits 124 miles per hour in a mere 10.9 seconds, and with the optional M Drivers package, it can reach a top speed of 190 miles per hour. Under the hood, you've got a 4.4-liter V8 paired with a gutsy electric motor, all tied together by an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission with drive logic that seamlessly blends power from both the combustion engine and electric motor for max efficiency, comfort, or pure dynamism. This setup doesn't just deliver insane performance across the board, it also lets you cruise up to 25 miles in pure electric mode at speeds up to 87 miles per hour thanks to the 194 horsepower electric motor. The chassis is just as impressive, with an M adaptive suspension and the slick M xDrive system, giving you the freedom to tap into its full dynamic potential while keeping it practical for daily driving. Add in M boost control and launch control, and owners can unleash the M5's wild side whenever they want. Now let's talk design. This thing looks mean and sleek from every angle. The front end grabs you with a bold, freshly designed BMW M kidney grille in glossy black, almost fully enclosed, with a single M-typical double bar sporting an M5 badge cutting across it. Right below, a big central lower air intake in the front apron, also in high gloss black, gulps down cooling air, split by a racing-inspired partition, while 2 smaller matte air intakes up top keep the radiators happy. Triangular side air intakes and body color add to the wide, aggressive stance. The adaptive LED headlights modernize the classic 4-eyed face, complete with cornering lights and a matrix high beam featuring BMW Selective Beam's non-dazzling high beam assistant. From the side, it's got an elegantly sporty silhouette with a totally redesigned body frame, including flared front and rear wheel arches that bump the width up by 3 inches at the front and 1.9 inches at the rear compared to the standard 5 Series sedan. That muscular vibe carries to the back, where flared wheel arches and vertical reflectors on the edges scream power, paired with a monolithic rear look thanks to big surfaces, an M rear spoiler, and a 2-section diffuser for slick airflow. The signature M twin exhaust tailpipes in black chrome sit snug in the rear apron, with a vertical divider in the diffuser echoing that racing vibe from the front. Rolling on double-spoke black lightweight alloy wheels, 20 inches up front, 21 inches in the rear, it's got a compound brake system with blue, red, or black calipers, or you can opt for carbon ceramic brakes for extra bite and less weight. Toss in the carbon fiber package, and you get carbon mirror caps, a carbon roof, and a slick gurney on the trunk. Step inside, and the M5's interior is a knockout. You're greeted by an interaction bar glowing in M colors, right next to an optional carbon fiber trim package that looks downright gorgeous. The newly designed M multifunction seats come standard in black and red, offering tons of electric adjustments and a memory function for the driver and front passenger in this 5-seat layout. The steering wheel's wrapped in M stitching with a red 12 o'clock mark, preset M1 and M2 buttons for your custom setups, and paddle shifters right behind it, while the center console rocks M buttons for quick menu access. A panoramic sunroof and Bowers & Wilkins audio system come standard, but if you want to shed some weight, you can swap the sunroof for a lightweight carbon fiber roof. Tech-wise, this sedan's loaded with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen that team up to throw a ton of customizable info your way. It's running BMW's iDrive 8.5 software, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus cool extras like video streaming and gaming, but those only work when you're parked. The integral active steering system makes it a breeze to maneuver in tight city streets while sharpening dynamics at high speeds. Safety's got you covered too, with a bunch of standard driver assistance features like automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving mode, and more, all baked right in. And the price tag? The 2025 BMW M5 starts at $119,500, a steal for this level of performance and luxury. All in all, this M5 is a game changer, blending heart-pounding power with cutting-edge style that'll turn heads wherever you roll.